You are looking at the Philips TUV 75HO ultraviolet lamp designed for use in germicidal systems. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz OV lamp. Labeling options are listed on her page on the website. Characteristics: lamp 2 metal socle with 2 wineskins on either side. The power is 75 watts. Operating current 0.5 A. The power of radiation is 27 W. Dimensions: the length of the lamp is 1240 mm. Arc length 1199 mm. Tube diameter 26 meter. Base diameter 20 9,000 hours of service life. You can see all technical parameters in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement in case of damage. It is always in stock at Northern Components for any germicidal unit: lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.